Okay guys, well we made it to Webster, Massachusetts, but it's been quite an ordeal. Eric and I got here fine with the bar. We've been here for about an hour, hour and a half, getting the bar ready to come off the trailer. But here, these are those situations where nobody sees. These are unforeseen circumstances that I actually put out in my contract so people kind of understand. So we can't even move this bar. Number one, we don't have enough manpower, but we're gonna boom this thing down, and let me show you guys what we're up against here. And while I'm walking down here, the coming through New York, the box truck broke down. So Ed is still in New York at 287 and 87. We're trying to find a diesel truck mechanic to look at the truck. So what it's looking like right now is we're going to try and get this bar set into place. We're going to cover it all up. Eric and I will head back home, and we're going to have to come back right after the 4th of July. Again, these are these unforeseen circumstances that happen that push everybody else's project behind. And I know everybody's excited about getting their bars, and you know, you guys see in all my other videos, it's all I can do. I'm doing everything humanly possible to get your guys' projects out, but here's what we're up against. So the bar is actually going way down there. I can't see, it's too bright out here, I can't see the camera, but if you can see those water pipes coming up.
They showed the fire, they left, they were laughing. What do you want me to do?
Just go up a little bit. You're sitting on the water pipe. Well, good morning, guys. We're back. It's day 2, and oh, we're looking at. Oh yeah, okay. I thought the camera was facing me. Well, look, the box truck made it. Ed had to stop. He was in New York. He had to go back to New Jersey. We found the place that would work on the truck, and Ed got here last night. Took him almost 13 hours to get here, but what we did get accomplished yesterday is we got the bar down with a crane, or with a lowell actually, and we put straps, wrapped the bar. Oh look, we got people down there already. Oh, the electrician. Good morning.
So I'm thinking.
Good morning.
Go like here somewhere. How you doing? And if we can put the.
All right, well, the bar's set in place, and we're gonna start working on the roof today. So, all right, I gotta go down and talk to these guys. Tiki cab out. Until the next one.
Somebody's underneath.
Okay, have them slowly bring it down.
I'm good here. Good? Yeah, I'm good on my end. Good, yeah, good. Sitting back here.
That's it. I got 2 tape measures sitting here somewhere.
I've got one right here.
It was heavier.
It's light, really.
No, I know. I work for Shannon.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
So you're doing a house edition.
Yeah.
Our architect was over last week.
Yeah.
Well, we're getting to know a lot of each other.
I worked for Shannon for almost 4 years now.
Oh, nice. He's a great guy.
He knows his shit.
He did an amazing job the way he built it to like really cover the lake.
A little different than Doug's ideas. Build the house to the lot versus build it to the property.
Yeah, a little bit.
I can't tell. Can you drop it? Will that hit?
Yeah, it should. Yeah.
Okay, tell him to go ahead and drop it down a little.
There you go. I'm gonna go square here.
Eric, I think you need to go towards the water.
He needs to spin out a little more.
Or maybe not.
Alright, so let's talk about this before he does it. What do I want to land on?
The end of the pole there, you want to be about
I want this on the pole?
Yeah.
Yes. How far in?
About an inch.
About-
We need to go towards you.
Okay.
Keep coming. You gotta lift up the back end.
Yeah, you gotta go up.
Back end has to go up.
Oh, that's all the time.
Keep going.
He just dropped it.
Alright, that's good.
Forward. Well, guys, here we are, Webster, Massachusetts. It's Sunday morning. We finished up last night around 7 o'clock. We got the roof on. Thank God Mike had a lull here, because there was no way. My first video attached to this cut out on me. I lost storage space. So let me see. I got 32 minutes of recording time now, so I can kind of take my time. But what you missed in the first video is we either had this to come down or this. And neither one of those was happening. So Mike's company, his company, he had a lull and he brought it over, and we used that. We put some straps on it, some heavy duty cable. We picked the bar up and dropped it down here from up there, way up there. And then yesterday we did the roof, and then we did the same thing. We built the roof up top, up in the driveway, and then we hooked it up and Mike drove it down and we set it in place. And this was a rough one. Ed had broken down on the way here in the box truck in New York. It took him 13 hours to get here. It took me and Eric 5. So we weren't even sure we were going to be able to get this done, because Ed had to find a mechanic that would take a look at the truck. Thank God. He had to go back into New Jersey to do that, but they fixed it and he came up here. So we got it done. We thought, Eric and I thought, we were going to set the bar in place and wrap it up and head home and come back sometime after the holiday to do the roof, but it all worked out. Ed took off. It's Sunday morning now. It's only about 9 o'clock. So Ed took off earlier. Eric and I are hooking up the trailer in a minute and we're out of here. I just had to do a last minute thing here this morning, and we are heading home. This job is complete. Now this is that big bar you guys saw in the shop. It's it's 14 feet long. It's 4 feet on this side and 8, a little over 8 feet on the other side. And I had to put that little extension on. They wanted to close up that side a little bit, so Eric and I came and put that extension on this morning. So I think they got, this is all the Beermeister stuff here. They had a party here last night, as you could tell. I already got the blenders out. So I don't know what Beermeister stuff there, but all the plumbing, all that, we'd have never, without that lull, we would have never ever been able to pick this bar up and drop it over all the piping under there, because you got an ice machine there, Beermeister there, which Mike's going to hook all that up, and a glass door refrigerator there. So what Eric and I did is we had to drill the holes in the bottom of the cabinet. And yes, I am tired if I sound tired. We had to drill all the holes in the bottom of the cabinet, and then we picked it back up with the machine and dropped it right over top of all the electric and plumbing pipes. So one shot, we got it. Everything worked out good. So Mike's going to hook up the water. This will get a ceiling fan. The wiring and switch is right there, but their electrician is still working on getting everything hooked up in here. So that being said, we are done. This one is out of the shop. We are on Lake Webster, and the last 2 days been pretty sunny and bright out here. Today it's raining. So it's nice. It's cool out this morning. July, what's today? July 2nd. I cannot believe it's July already. This is ridiculous. But it's nice and peaceful out here right now. Sunday morning, nobody's around. Yesterday there was hundreds of boats out on the water. People water skiing, all kinds of stuff going on out here. So, all right, well, that's the end of it. We are heading home. I want to get a shot. Oh, there's Eric. We got to hook up the trail. You going to get some pictures?
Yes.
All right.
I've moved the trailer and it's in a good spot.
Okay. All right, good. All right, so that's that. Eric, do me a favor. When you're done taking your picture, stand here on this step right here and take a picture going that way. I'm going to walk up. All right. All right. Yeah, 12 steps. Or that big hill. There's no way we were taking it down that hill. No way. All right, there's the bar right there. So we're going to pack up and we're out of here. We got about a 5.5 hour drive home. All right, so from Lake Webster in Massachusetts for the Tiki Kev crew of Eric, Ed, and me, Tiki Kev. Oh, and yes, this is a synthetic thatched roof, and it's been raining, so it's nice and watertight, and it's a 16 by 10 roof. All right, well, time to head home.
Happy 4th.
Huh? Yeah, happy 4th, everybody. All right, from Lake Webster in Webster, Massachusetts, Tiki Kev out.